Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford Edge. Stock number is A8269. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side where you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. This Edge is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Edge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.